Hi friends! Welcome to our happy farm. Let's meet some friendly animals and hear what sounds they make. Ready? Let's go. Cow. This is a cow. Cows give us fresh milk every day. Can you say it too? Moo Moo. Pig. Here's a pig. Pigs love to splash and play in the mud. Let's try it. Oink Oink. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chickens lay yummy eggs. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck cluck. Sheep. Look at the sheep. Sheep give us soft wool for warm clothes. Say it with me. Baa Baa. Horse. Here comes a horse. Horses love to run fast and help pull carts. Neigh like a horse. Neighhh. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim and splash in the water. Say it with me. Quack quack. Goat. Here's a goat. Goats love to climb and eat plants. Can you make that sound? Maa Maa. Rooster. The rooster wakes everyone up when the sun rises. That's right. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Dog. Here's the farm dog. He helps guard the animals and plays with everyone. Say it with me. Woof Woof. Wow, you met so many amazing animals today. Let's say their names one more time. Cow, pig, chicken, sheep, horse, duck, goat, rooster, and dog. Great job, little farmers. See you next time on the farm. Bye bye.